With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, welcome to Doubtnut. In this question they have asked that the danger signal installed at the top of a tall buildings are red in color, okay, and these can be easily seen from a distance because among all other colors the red light, and we have four options here. That is, option 1 is the red light is scattered the most by smoke or fog. Option 2 is that the red light is scattered the least by smoke or fog. Third option is the red light is absorbed the most by smoke or fog. And last option is the red light moves fastest in air. Okay. So basically, in the context of scattering, we can say, we know that from Rayleigh's experiment, it has been said that the intensity of light is inversely proportional to the 4 power of lambda. This is the Rayleigh's result. Okay. And we know that scattering is directly proportional to scattering is directly proportional to the intensity of light, okay. And we know that among the Vibgyor pattern, okay, the red light has least wavelength. This red light has least wavelength, sorry, not least, the red light has maximum wavelength. Actually, the red light has maximum wavelength. Okay, so maximum wavelength implies that the red light will be scattered least. Okay, so we can say that therefore maximum wavelength of red light implies that it will be scattered least. It will be least scattered. Okay, so among all these four options we get the second option as our answer. As you can see, the second option is the red light is scattered the least by smoke or fog. Okay, so we can say that option second is true here, that is the red light is scattered the least by smoke or fog here. Okay, so that's all for this question, guys. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.